How to increase Turo booking. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll give you tips on how you can increase your Turo bookings. And this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Turo account, just like I've done here. And once you are logged in and you're brought to the home page, you can see a search box displaying different options. And by the time you scroll down, you'll see other options as well. So in order for you to increase your bookings, there are different things that you can do. The first thing you should do is to optimize your listing. So ensure that your listing has a detailed description, high quality photos, and competitive pricing. All right, highlight unique features and benefits of your car. So I'll give you an example. So for example, I want to book a Turo car, and again I click on the search box. I enter in my location, from what time to what time. Then I click on the search icon. So I click on the search icon and I'm redirected to the search page. You would see different kinds of car, and then I chose this particular one. Now you can see that this particular car is an all-star host. And by scrolling down, checking the description, you'll see how detailed it is, right? And then you can see features that makes this particular vehicle to stand out. Okay, so ensure you also include something like this, make it stand out, add extras, okay, add guidelines, and then this is another example of a very good listing. So by scrolling down on this page, you can see the description of the vehicle. You can see how detailed it is. I'm sure if you're the one, you definitely want to take this ride, right? Now by scrolling down to checking out the features, you can see unique features that makes the vehicle stand out from others. And by checking this, you would also desire to want to pay more, and then you can see the extras and all of that. It even has a 5-star rating, and also it has reviews. So another thing you should add to your listing is reviews. Ensure that whenever you have an order and someone books your car, ensure the person leaves a review, a very good review. This will also increase your bookings. Okay, another thing you should do is that be available. Keep your availability open, especially on weekends and holidays. Okay, consider reducing your advance notice to as little as 1 hour to attract last minute bookings. Okay, and like I said earlier, one thing you should do is to offer extras. Provide options like post-trip cleaning, unlimited mileage, and prepaid referral. These extras can make your listing more attractive and also increase your earnings. Then you can also extend your pickup and return hours to give guests more flexibility. You'll be seen as someone that is affordable and accessible if you do this. All right, and then promote your listing. Okay, how can you promote your listing? Share your Turo listing on social media, use referral programs, consider paid advertisement to reach a wider audience, and much more importantly, respond promptly to inquiries, provide excellent customer service, ensure your car is clean and well maintained, and by the time you do all of this and you ask for positive reviews, all of this would significantly boost your success and also increase the number of bookings on Turo. So these are the different tips that you can take note of, you can practice, and I'm sure that your bookings would increase. Thank you very much for watching and have a very good day.